Hello foodies, how is it going? Today we will show you a quick egg biryani recipe. Biryani is the most ordered dish online in India. Let's start. Add 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 sliced onion. Cook on medium flame until the onions turn brown. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, green chili paste, 1 cup of fresh tomato paste, 1/4 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon chicken masala, garam masala, coriander powder. Mix well until the raw smell goes away. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add a pinch of food color. This is optional. Add some lime juice. Add 1 cup cilantro leaves. Mix well, and once ready, set aside. Let's start making some rice. Add 2 bay leaves, green chilies, mint leaves, ginger garlic paste, 4 green cardamom, cinnamon stick, Marathi mogu, 4 cloves, star anise, 2 tablespoons salt, and few tablespoons oil. Once the water is boiling, add soaked basmati rice and cook for 10 minutes. Please ensure the rice is half cooked. Add the masala gravy to a thick bottom pan and sprinkle rice gently. Cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. Add some more masala gravy on the top and some desi ghee. Add 1 tablespoon garam masala. We will now deep fry some eggs. Season with some salt and chili powder. Thank you for watching Mahinafoods.